Okay, so be patient with yourself if you don't get it at first. You probably won't. It might take you till the end of the week, it might take you till the end of next week, and that's okay. We've got time to like figure it out. Okay, so you got new lab groups. I'm gonna have you go sit with those people in a second. And then just a reminder for POGILs, you're gonna sit and face them. You're gonna read the questions aloud. You can take turns reading, or you can pick one reader. You should discuss answers until you feel good about it. And then we're all gonna write it down together. It is not a race. Okay? Yesterday I had one group that got halfway through the POGO, but they had the best discussions. Whereas maybe some other groups left some people behind. So don't worry about time. Just have good discussions.
Me too. All cells need energy all the time, and their primary source of energy is ATP. The methods cells use to make ATP vary depending on the availability of oxygen and their biological makeup. In many cases, the cells are in an oxygen-rich environment. For example, as you sit and read this sentence, you are breathing in oxygen, which is then carried throughout your body by red blood cells. But some cells grow in environments without oxygen. Yeast in winemaking, or the bacteria that causes botulism in canned food. And occasionally, animal cells must function without sufficient oxygen, as in running sprints. In this activity, you will begin to look at the aerobic and anaerobic processes that are used by all organisms to produce ATP. Do you want to read the first question, Santino?
Number 1. According to Model 1, what are the reactants of cellular respiration?
So it looks like,
What are we thinking?
yeah, I was gonna say, they go into the
So
cell, they
this
go through that cycle to
is-
find an outcome.
We could probably just underline that and write reactants instead of rewriting it down.
I'm just going to draw it here.
That makes sense.
Yeah, we need, well, number 2 is talking about the
I have no clue what those compounds are called.
Carbon 6, hydrogen 12,
Carbon
oxygen
6.
6.
I have forgotten. This is like five.
Not AP Prep Chem. So those are the reactants. And then what are the products? So the products are just what comes after. So we know it'll produce energy and water, because those are both on there, but I don't know. And carbon oxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Well, it's not. It is dioxide.
Yeah.
I underlined the 2 on accident.
Don't you have to like subtract the atoms and multiply? I forgot.
Well, we don't have to, like,
No, I know we don't have to do it, but like
What,
it's
balancing out equations?
yeah. How do you? I forgot. Don't you have to like cross it off and then do this and that?
Queen, it's been
Yeah.
2 years. I wish I recalled. Okay. Do you want to read this question, Miriam?
Yes.
Oh, once you get
Sorry. Just
No, that's okay.
very small.
Well, you're also making your notes a lot prettier than Santino and I are.
Definitely better than mine.
Yeah.
It doesn't make it any better than mine. Number 3, cellular respiration occurs in 4 phases: the link reaction, the Krebs cycle, and the oxidative phosphorylation.
Which phase of cellular respiration occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell? So let's look. Where is the cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is this big. So
I think it's glycolysis.
Yep.
Glucose or
Glycolysis.
Glucose is right above it, but glycolysis is what's bolded, and that was listed as an option because Krebs cycle's inside. Yep, the other ones are all in different places.
Yeah, no, I thought it was like that.
I think it's it's the link and the and the Krebs cycle. Oxidative phosphorylation, and Is it just the oxidative one?
I guess I'm just confused about this.
I think so, because other ones use carbon dioxide.
Yeah. Yeah. Because sometimes the
So like you could just see like
Krebs cycle.
yeah, Krebs cycle.
Let's do this next step.
Yeah, Krebs cycle.
Yeah. Cellular respiration. I'm on
Okay, which of the four phases? Okay, we know Link, Krebs, and oxidative require cellular respiration process. But glycolysis, Krebs, and phosphorylation are all ATP. How many ATPs are produced for every glucose molecule that undergoes? Okay, let's just look at the glucose molecule.